Welcome to this lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain material science and Fermi energy and Fermi factor. Let us go to the contents of this video. So in this video, I am going to explain Fermi energy, Fermi factor, Fermi temperature and Fermi velocity and also expression for Fermi energy. So these were all the concepts that I am going to discuss here. So let us concentrate on what is Fermi energy. So Fermi energy is the highest energy possessed by the electron in an atom at absolute 0 degree Kelvin. So as according to Pauli's exclusion principle, electrons are all occupied at different energy levels. So as according to Pauli's exclusion principle, no two electrons can occupy a particular energy level with all the four quantum numbers the same. So here the four quantum numbers associated with the electron is the orbital quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number and principal quantum number. So these were all some of the quantum numbers associated with electron. So no two electron can be allowed to occupy a particular energy level with all the four quantum numbers the same. So here the energy levels are filled up as according to Pauli's exclusion principle, and the topmost energy level filled with electron is considered as Fermi energy level, and the corresponding energy associated with the electron is known as Fermi energy. So this will be evaluated at absolute 0 degree Kelvin. So as according to quantum free electron theory, the Fermi energy of an electron is given by, that is, h square by 8m into 3n by pi whole to the power of 2 by 3. So here h is Planck's constant, m is mass of the electron and n is number of electrons per unit volume of the material. So Fermi energy of a material is given by EF is equal to h square by 8m into 3n by pi whole to the power of 2 by 3. So here the level at which Fermi electrons present is known as Fermi energy level, and the velocity with which the electrons moves at Fermi level is known as Fermi velocity, and the temperature of electrons which are at Fermi level is known as Fermi temperature. Now one more thing in this chapter is Fermi factor, denoted by symbol f of e. So Fermi factor is a energy distribution function, okay, which gives the probability of an electron occupy a particular energy level at a particular temperature T. So the probability of finding the electron at a particular energy level T, at particular temperature T is given by f of E is equal to 1 by e to the power of E minus EF by kT plus 1. So this is the formula corresponding to Fermi factor f of E. So you can able to calculate the Fermi factor at different cases. So let us consider a case number 1, that is we are considering the energy level below Fermi level, that is E is less than EF at T is equal to 0 Kelvin. If this is the case, when we apply this into the formula, the value of f of E is equal to 1 by e to the power of minus infinity plus 1. So here E is observed to be less than Fermi energy, that's why E minus EF will take a negative value, and any value that is divided by 0, because T is equal to 0 here, that's why we are going to get e to the power of minus infinity. Okay, so f of E is equal to 1 by e to the power of minus infinity plus 1. So it is observed that e to the power of minus infinity is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write 1 by 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So the probability of finding the electron when the energy level chosen is less than Fermi energy at absolute 0 degree Kelvin is found to be 1. So the 100% probability, that is the probability of finding the electron below Fermi level at absolute 0 degree Kelvin is found to be 1, that is 100%. The case number 2 is when we select energy level above Fermi level at absolute 0 degree Kelvin. So here E is greater than EF at T is equal to 0. So substitute the parameters in the formula of Fermi factor. We are going to get f of E is equal to 1 by e to the power of plus infinity plus 1. Because any positive value divided by 0 is plus infinity. So that's why we are going to get 1 by e to the power of plus infinity plus 1. So it is observed that e to the power of plus infinity is equal to infinity. Therefore, 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So f of e value becomes 0 here. So the probability of finding the electron above Fermi level at absolute 0 degree Kelvin is observed to be 0. So this is what the inference here. And the third case is probability of occupation at E is equal to EF. And the temperature considered is greater than 0 degree Kelvin, or when we consider T is equal to 0 Kelvin. So consider the factors and put it into the formula. We are going to get f of E is equal to 1 by e power 0 plus 1, because E minus, that is E minus EF is found to be 0. So 0 by anything is 0, that's why we are going to get e power 0. Therefore f of e is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. Here the value of e power 0 is equal to 1. So on simplification, the value of f of e is found to be half, or which is equal to 0.5. So the probability of finding the electron at Fermi level is observed to be 0.5 at T is equal to 0 Kelvin, or T is greater than 0 degree Kelvin. So this is what the inference here. So when we plot a graph of f of e versus E, so the probability now here ranges from 0 to 1. So the bold line shows the value of f of e at T is equal to 0 Kelvin, whereas the dotted line shows the value of f of e at T greater than 0 Kelvin. So here it is observed that the energy E is equal to EF, the probability value f of e is equal to 0.5. And when E is less than EF, the probability is found to be 1, and when E is greater than EF, the probability is found to be 0. So this is what the graph showing the variation of f of E with respect to energy level E at different temperatures. And the Fermi temperature is nothing but the temperature of electron gas which is at Fermi level, given by Tf is equal to Ef by K. Here Ef is nothing but Fermi energy and K is Boltzmann constant. Further, the Fermi velocity is given by Vf is equal to 2Ef by m all to the power of half. Here Ef is Fermi energy of the material and m is mass of the electron. Fermi velocity is nothing but the velocity of the electrons which are at Fermi level at absolute 0 degree Kelvin. So that's what the definition or expression for Fermi velocity. And here is an expression for Fermi energy. So the value of n of e is equal to integration 0 to infinity g of e dE f of e. So on simplification, we are going to get the value of n is equal to 8 root 2 pi into m to the power of 3 by 2 by h cube into 2ef all to the power of 3 by 2 by 3. So this is what the value of n obtained, that is the number of electrons per unit volume of the material. And further, by rearranging the terms, we are going to get the expression for Fermi energy as h square by 8m into 3n by pi all to the power of 2 by 3. So here h is Planck's constant, m is mass of the electron, and n is number of electrons per unit volume of the material. So this is what the expression for Fermi energy. It is observed that for all the metals, the value of Fermi energy EF is ranges from 1 to 10 electron volts. So that's what the value. And if we look at the Fermi energy, it is nothing but the energy of the electrons at 0 degree Kelvin occupying the highest level in an atom, and the corresponding level is known as Fermi energy level. So this is what about the expression for Fermi energy applicable to metals. Thank you.